Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chicken bacon from scratch. First, choose boneless, skinless chicken thighs for the best results. Next, you'll prepare a simple yet effective curing mixture. Finally, the chicken will cure in your refrigerator for several days, transforming its flavor and texture. To create your cure, mix together kosher salt, brown sugar, and a small amount of pink curing salt. This blend is crucial for both flavor and preservation. Generously rub this mixture over every surface of your chicken thighs. Then, place the chicken in a sealed bag and refrigerate it for 3 to 5 days, flipping daily to ensure even curing. After curing, rinse the chicken thoroughly under cold water and pat it completely dry. This step helps form a pellicle, which allows smoke to adhere better. Smoke your chicken at a consistent temperature between 225 and 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue smoking until the internal temperature reaches a safe 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, let your chicken bacon cool completely, then chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This firming period makes slicing much easier. Use a sharp knife to slice the chicken thinly against the grain for that classic bacon texture. Store your homemade chicken bacon in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.